Okay, so here's some more information about ellipses, and this is applied to the orbit of the Earth about the Sun. Okay, so the Earth would be traveling along the ellipse. At this point here, the perihelion, the Earth would be closest to the Sun. But then as it moves around the ellipse, eventually it would arrive here at the aphelion, and it would be farther away from the Sun. In fact, you can see that at the aphelion, the distance from the Sun would be the length of the major axis, or semi-major axis rather, plus the distance from the center of the ellipse to a foci. So, or focus rather. Okay, so if you add those two, this distance would be a plus c. So the distance from the aphelion to the Sun is a plus c. On the other hand, the distance from the Sun to the perihelion, right? Well, the distance from this line on the right side here, that's the end of the semi-minor axis, to the perihelion, that distance is a, the semi-major axis. And then notice that it is smaller than that distance. So this distance is actually a minus c. So the distance from the Sun to the perihelion is a minus c, and the distance from the Sun to the aphelion is a plus c. Okay, so, all right, it'd be interesting to find out when the Earth reaches these points. In other words, what will be the dates for, let's say, the year 2021, when the Earth will be at perihelion, and the date when the Earth will be at aphelion. So when do those occur? And what are some other astronomical events that take place as the Earth goes around the Sun? For example, there are the solstices, which occur somewhere in between here. So we'll talk about those as well.